Happy New Year 2024 and welcome back to the VST channel, guys. This here is the Samsung S23 Ultra, and I read a very nice article today on Xiaomi fans practically showing us, in this case also me, how to hide your passwords or PIN code. Because you know, when you have your phone in your hand and you're entering your PIN, apparently if somebody's looking, there are people like this, right? They're gonna be able to see your PIN, and there is an option for you guys to switch this off. And honestly, I was not aware, so if you were not aware like me, please watch the video. All right, so how does this work? Of course, we have to go inside the settings, then scroll down and find the security and privacy. And security and privacy has been updated in Android 40 in One UI 6, probably worth a separate video. But for this particular video, we're gonna head down to the section called More Security Settings. And under More Security Settings, well, the default settings here include Make Passwords Visible, which actually shows the password characters briefly the moment you type them. So as easy as that, guys, it's just on and off, like there are no other settings. The moment you turn this baby off, all right, then eventually you're starting to enter your PIN code. Yeah, see, it will not be displayed. So of course, if you have like quick fingers, then you'll be able to be faster than your enemies. And apparently they are not going to be able to check your password. And the good thing is that this also works on passwords. So see here, guys, I'm just trying to enter a password. If somebody is quick enough to see what you're typing, they probably can get it. But the moment you turn off Make Passwords Visible, every time you will be entering something here, well, you're going to enter directly this blank characters. So yeah, what a nice setting. And wow, I'm still surprised there's so many things we don't know in One UI, and we are now looking in the next 2 weeks to get S24 Ultra with One UI 6.1. So remember to return for more. It's gonna be a crazy AI experience, or at least so did they say. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.